What's up guys, hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video I will talk about a lady who has earned over $505,000 from the Simple Fiverr Gig. She has earned more than this and I will show you how she has earned this income, and you can also replicate this process to start making your income from Fiverr. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur. So if you're interested in such kind of videos, so please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget click the like button. And if you wanted to start your income online, then I will share you my most recommended system in the description box. And due to this system, you can see that this is another success story. And just look at these stats, nearly $1,000 per day. So if you wanted to be part of this program, then I will put that link in the description box. You can join it today using that link. And now let's move to our video. That is, first move to the fiverr.com and just search for here resume writing. As you can see that resume writing, and these are the gigs that you are looking for. These are the most popular gigs and people are getting tons of order in this category, so there is no shortage of buyers. 1k plus, 1k plus, 283, 184, 1k plus. So a lot of tons of orders people are getting. And if I just open up this first gig, the backpacker, so I have already opened up that gig. I will provide a professional resume writing service, and she has a rating of 4.8, delivered or reviewed by nearly 5,000 people, and 19 orders are in queue. So if I just do the if I just look at the pricing structure, basic for $65, $85, and premium for $140. So just look at the basic, $65. What she is delivering: full edit and rewrite of your 1 to 2 page resume, and she will only provide the first 3 services in this gig. Cover letter and optimized LinkedIn profile will be provided in the standard and the premium option. So just do the math here. If I open up my calculator, 4857, these are the actual number of reviews, as you can confirm from this. If I just multiply this figure to reach up to the actual orders figure, because as per my experience, nearly 50% of the people will give you the review here on Fiverr. So if you just multiply this by 2, we end up reaching to the 100% figure of the orders. So just an approximate figure, believe me, orders will be more than this. So just for the sake of an example, and if we multiply this figure by basic amount $65, you can even this is the lowest amount. I need to take the average, but just for calculation purpose, and over $630,000 from this one gig. Fiverr will cut off the 20% charge, so just multiply this figure by 0.8, 80% will be the earning. So over $505,000. That's massive. That's the potential of just by providing resume writing service. So if you wanted to know the truth about how you can start your same gig and replicate the strategy, then don't worry. I am just showing you a platform here. It is a ready-made service. All you need is to just put in the things that will be provided to you by the buyer, and your work is done. So just move to a platform that is canva.com, and you can create your account for free. I will also put that link in the description box. However, if you opted for the premium plan, though it is very cheaper, but you will get far more features as compared to the free plan. But equally good, you can use that free plan as well. So just here type resume, and you will come up with the different themes. So these are the themes. There are tons of themes. You could easily get access hundreds of themes in the free plan. However, if you have the premium plan at $10 to $15 per month, you could get access to the more advanced plans. So as you can see that these are some top-notch themes out there. So just pick up one theme. Let's suppose if I just open up that theme, now that theme has been opened. From here you can increase the size. Let's suppose if I do it 75% or 100%, you can fully edit that template. Like you can change the picture, you can move, you can edit the text here, you can also change the profile, add section related to the buyer. So that data will be provided to you by the buyer. All you need is to just paste that data into the template. You can provide some extra service like improving the content or improving the copywriting, so you can equally do that. So just get all the information. You can even create a template about what information do you required. Generally these all the themes have a same type of content requiring structure. They differ with the theme or look like structure, but with respect to the content they are pretty much similar, like requiring personal information, educational background, experience, preferences, interest, hobbies. So you can just create a general profile, ask information from the buyer, and then put in that information into that template. That's how you can complete this process. You can see that there are a lot of different templates out there: modern resumes, professional resumes, infographic resume. So all types of things are available here in canva.com, and just put in that text and you're ready to go. Once you have completed your CV resume, just click on download and you can download that text, download that file, and you can easily send that PDF file, or in any other format you can deliver that file on Fiverr, and you can get good income doing this. So that's all for today, and I hope you like this strategy. If you like this strategy, don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe my channel to get more similar types of videos in future. That's all for today. Thank you.